Hello, I am Justin Coleman. I am graduating from New Berlin West and earned my youth apprenticeship certificate from GPS Ed this June. Over my time as student apprentice in the GPS Ed program, I have learned how to operate CNC machines and make quality parts. I have done this by accurately using gauges and micrometers to check the quality of my parts. By doing this has allowed me to address concerns when they appear right away. I was able to overcome my poor time management skills by thinking in my head about what I have to do and plan ahead. I also learned how to organize my tasks in a timely manner by separating my tasks into groups. By doing those changes to my lifestyle, it has helped me get my schoolwork done on time and allowed me to increase my rate of making parts at work. GPS Ed was an investment in myself because I was able to figure out what kind of jobs I really like to do. Currently, I am working on operating CNC machines in order to learn more about how they operate. In the near future, I would like a career as an industrial maintenance technician or a job similar to this. In 5 years, I see myself becoming an industrial maintenance technician by learning about machines and how they operate. I plan on going to a 2-year technical school to earn my diploma. I'd like to thank Pierre and Rocio for encouraging me to continuously improve myself and be both a better adult and employee. Next, my mom and dad for supporting me on this journey. Lastly, my mentor Pete, who worked on getting me on machines and more and helping me operate machines. The last piece of advice to future GPS students is to never give up on themselves and finish all their work in school, and even if they don't want to. And always ask for help from those who care about you. They really are there to help and only have your best interest at heart.